Oh, be lifted above all other gods. We lay our crowns and worship you. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I'm sharing with you how I made this simple, creamy, fruity popsicles or Abele Walls, popularly called in Ghana. Yeah, Abele Walls is a dessert ice cream, and you can see how I'm enjoying mine here. It's flavorful, creamy, and inviting. So let's get started. I have my ingredients here. I'll be listing in the description box. So I have 2 cups of powdered milk, needle pick or anyone you want, half cup condensed milk, and my beautiful Ghanaian colors: watermelon, mango, and kiwi. I also have some vanilla extracts. So in a cup I add 2 cups of semi-hot water. Then I add my powdered milk, stir vigorously for it to dissolve. I add my condensed milk and also my vanilla extracts, but unfortunately my camera didn't cover the vanilla aspects, but that's it. So I stir for everything to dissolve, and then my Abele Walls solution is ready. So in my cups I just mash my fruits like I'm doing here. So I have them here. Then I'll just fill it up with my creamy solution. So I'll insert my sticks. You can use sukudia or diawa. So I'll just drop some Skittles for more beautiful and radiant colors, and also for the kids. And then I added some strawberry flavor. And ready to be frozen. So after 12 hours, that is, I did it overnight. These are my results. And you can see my beautiful fruity Abele Walls or popsicles are ready to be enjoyed. So I just dip it in some water and then remove it like I'm doing here. And trust me, everybody was like, just give me some more. Yeah, just give me some more. It was so creamy, full of fruits, and it was so sweet. So please try this at home. The kids, they are gonna enjoy it. Just look at this. Creaminess be what? That's my fruits in there. So you enjoy some fruits and then you enjoy some cream as well. So this is the kiwi. So I hope you like this video. You can see my girl enjoying hers. So if you like this video, kindly give your girl a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful recipes. I love you. God bless you. Bye.